What does it take to keep critical buildings running while people are inside them every day? At Fairfax County government, it takes leadership, expertise, and professionals who know how to manage complexity without missing a beat. Right now, we're looking for a construction/maintenance project manager too to help lead some of the county's most critical and complex facilities projects. In this senior level role, you'll plan and direct large-scale and concurrent capital renewal and specialty projects, often in fully occupied commercial buildings. From HVAC and electrical systems to generators, life safety systems, building envelope, interior renovations, and structural elements, your work will touch nearly every aspect of modern facilities management. You'll lead projects from concept through completion, ensuring quality, safety, and operational continuity in environments where downtime simply isn't an option. As the primary representative of Fairfax County, you'll be authorized to lead projects, resolve construction issues, and set clear performance standards. You'll manage schedules, budgets, contracts, and risks, while coordinating across departments, stakeholders, and contractors to deliver results that meet county standards and industry best practices. This is hands-on, high-responsibility project management for professionals who thrive on challenge and accountability. This position supports critical commercial buildings, where reliability, safety, and precision matter every single day. If you've led complex construction efforts in large occupied buildings, managed multi-million-dollar scopes, and overseen system replacements while keeping operations running, this role was built for you. And beyond the projects, there's the workplace. Fairfax County government is known nationwide for its stability, innovation, and commitment to public service. Here, you'll work alongside skilled professionals who value collaboration, integrity, and doing things the right way. You'll have the opportunity to manage meaningful projects, grow your career, and enjoy the confidence that comes with public sector leadership without sacrificing professional challenge. If you bring experience managing complex construction portfolios, budgets over $500,000, and a proven ability to lead projects in occupied environments, we want to hear from you. Join Fairfax County government as a construction/maintenance project manager too, and help deliver the projects that keep our community moving, protected, and prepared.